friends, welcome back to Dharani Creations. In this video we're going to see how to make a solar power bank. For making the solar power bank we need a 6-watt solar panel, a power bank module, a 3.7 battery, a LED, 1K resistor and a diode. Let's see how to make it. It's charging, guys. The green light indicates that the solar power bank is working. It's done. Let's charge the power bank. While charging, it indicates red color. It's working. Let's remove. Now let's connect to the mobile. It's working. The mobile gets charged. That's all for today, guys. We can see in the next video. Stay tuned. Tada, bye bye.